Hey traders, there's been a lot of buzz around advanced AI-generated trading strategies, so I decided to put DeepSeek AI to the test. I asked it to develop a high-performance strategy designed to grow a small trading account quickly. Of course, no strategy is perfect right out of the box, so I made some key refinements to optimize its effectiveness. After thorough testing and adjustments, I applied this strategy to Bitcoin with 100 times backtesting trades, and the results were impressive. So make sure to watch until the end to unlock the full potential of this system. Hold on tight, because here it comes. We achieved an unbelievable 93% win rate. I mean, how crazy is that? Of course, we all know that no strategy is completely risk-free, but here's the kicker. This strategy's risk is incredibly low. That's pretty impressive, don't you think? Now let's dive into how to set it all up. Take a look at the top of the TradingView platform. See that section labeled Indicators? That's your next stop. Click on it and you'll get a pop-up windows where you'll find the search bar. Type in 10 and 1 different moving averages and hit enter. Once you look at the indicator in the results, click on it to add it to your chart. This is where the magic starts to happen. This incredible indicator combines different moving averages, allowing you to select the perfect type based on your trading needs. You'll notice that there's already a default 200 exponential moving average, or EMA, on the chart. But we're going to need a little more firepower to get the most out of this strategy. So let's open the indicator settings window and tweak settings a bit. In the input section, enable MA1 option, then change its type to simple moving average, or SMA, and set the period to 50. Leave the time frame as normal. Next, enable MA2, set the type to rolling moving average, or RMA, and set the time frame to 2 hours. Finally, for MA3, enable it, set the type to RMA, leave the time frame as normal, and set the period to 27. With your moving averages set up, it's time to move on to the style section. Here you can play around with the colors and thickness of the moving average lines to make them stand out. Your chart should be visually appealing, making them easy to read and understand. Now, to truly unlock the full potential of this strategy and start making money, we need one more secret weapon. Another free indicator that will take your trading game to the next level. So, let's jump back into the indicator section and search for 10 indicators in one. You know the drill. Head over to the search bar, type in 10 indicators in one, and hit enter. Once you find it in the results, click to add it to your chart. This powerful tool comes packed with some heavy-hitting indicators, including MACD, right pivot weekly, and a whole bunch of moving averages like SMA 200, SMA 100, SMA 55, SMA 75, EMA 55, EMA 50, moving average 200, EMA 200, and even a golden EMA crossover. But before we dive headfirst into using it, we need to make a few adjustments to tailor it to our needs. Go to the settings windows and in the input section, enable the bar color option. Don't worry about any other parameters just yet. Now, switch over to the style tab and disable the buy and sell options along with the pivot options. And voila, that's all there is to it. Our indicators are now primed and ready to guide us on our journey to trading success. Now that everything is set up, let's talk about how to actually trade with this strategy. First things first, we need to spot an uptrend in the chart. This basically means we're looking for price candles to be sitting above all our moving average lines. Once we confirm that, we're off to a great start. Next, keep an eye out for a recent swing high on the chart. When you find it, draw a horizontal line at the point. Here's where things get interesting. We need to wait until the price breaks through that swing high while we're still in an uptrend. That, my friend, is what we call a bullish breakout, and it's a beautiful sight to behold. But before jumping on a buy trade, we need one final confirmation to make sure the market is truly riding that bullish momentum. This is where our trusty 10 indicators in one oscillator comes in. If all corresponding parts of this indicator turns green, you've got yourself a solid buy signal, and it's time to pounce on that buy order. Of course, no trade is complete without proper risk management. After extensive backtesting, we found that the best options for setting a stop loss and either placing it at the recent swing low or using one of the moving average lines. As for the target, aiming for 1.5 times the risk level tends to yield the best results based on our backtesting data. For those looking for sell opportunities, here's what to watch for. First, look for a clear downtrend when price candles dip below the moving averages. This could be a signal to consider selling. Next, find a swing low on the chart and draw a horizontal line to visualize a support level. When the price breaks below the swing low while still in a downtrend, that's a bearish breakout. Before entering sell trade, double check the 10 indicators in one oscillator. If it turns red, that's your confirmation and you've got a strong sell signal. My friends, if you found this tutorial valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. Happy trading!